Hello kids, how are you doing? Yes, it's Shipra again with the DIY activity. So on behalf of Yellow Class, I Shipra welcome you again and I hope you must be enjoying the Navratras. Yes, the Navratras are going on, must be listening to the stories, must be doing pujas, must be enjoying lot of prasad also. Even I remember when we were kids, we really used to look forward to these Navratras. So, as you all know, we are doing some activities related to Navratras. So today also, kids, my DIY activity is related to Navratras. But let us see what we are going to do today. But before that, you all know. So let us begin together. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, kids. So my surprise is over and we have a nice, beautiful Toran in front of you. Can you guess, kids, it is made of what? Yes, these are paper leaves. And this, you must be thinking it's tough. No, it's quite easy and we can make it. What you need for this, I will just tell you. We will be requiring a ribbon, okay, around 15 to 20 centimeters in two parts. So basically 20 centimeters into 20 centimeters, two pieces of ribbon or any thread will do. And other than that, I have taken this origami sheet. This is easily available in the market. This is 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Okay, this is 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. And I have taken these colorful origami sheets, which you can easily get in the market. So you have beautiful bright colors. Okay. A A4 size sheet. A thick A4 size sheet for the borders. Okay. Scissor, glue, and stapler. And this is the ribbon, as I have told you. This is around 15 to 20 centimeter, and I will divide it into two halves like this. Okay, so this is what we need. Now what I am going to do, kids, I will be using maybe a paper cutter or a scissor. Whatever way you are comfortable, you can do that. And we will divide these sheets into equal halves like triangles, equal triangles. So what we are going to do, we just going to simply, this is a 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter origami sheets which are easily available in the market. They are colored from both these sides. So when you are buying, just take care that the sheet should be colored from both these sides. I will just divide it into equal triangle like this. Okay, and I will be using a paper cutter. If you are comfortable using a paper cutter, use a paper cutter. Otherwise, use a scissor, kids. And we'll just cut it like this. Simply, I have divided it. So I am going to show you one more. What I have done, this is my A4, this is my 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet. I have folded it like this, like a triangle, divided into two equal triangles, given a proper crease. I have pressed it nicely, and with the paper cutter, I have cut it into two equal halves. So this basically you will be requiring around 15 to 16 sheets because we are making a toran, so it should be approximately of a length of our door. Okay. And what we are going to do, we are just going to simply fold it upside down. So one side up, one folding, small sizes, then one more folding down. Just simple small folding we are doing. I will be showing you again. Upside down, okay? So what you are doing, we are making a flap like this. Again up, again down, and this one like this. You can even start from this corner if you feel that it is difficult for you, and we'll get something like this. I will show you one more, and then we'll stick that, and then we'll move ahead. So now, again, what I have done, simple thin foldings we are doing like this, upside down. This is one. Then I will turn my paper and approximately of the same size. We are saying approximately of the same size, so don't worry if your flaps are little here and there. One more fold, another fold, kids. Simple flap folding we are doing. And this is done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to fold it like this. We'll press it from here, and now we'll apply glue here in the center. So, and we will stick it. It will just take few seconds to stick, and you can leave it aside. Same way I've taken this one, I have again folded it, approximately making both the leaves, both the ends together like this. Again, I have given a twist from here, and I have applied glue like this. And we just open it once it sticks. We just open it like this. So this way we have to make around 15-16 leaves, kids. I have shown 4-5 to you. I have made few earlier. Okay, so I made few earlier. Now we'll show you how we are going to stick it. So same way we have shown you how we are going to do it. I hope the instructions were clear and you can easily do it. And then what we'll do, we'll take this A4 size sheet and divide it into equal halves like this. We want thin strips, as I have cut one beforehand to show you. We just need thin strips of approximately, you can say 28 centimeters. We need 3 strips of 28 centimeters. Okay. So 28 centimeters approximately we are taking. It's basically the length of the A4 size sheet only. Okay. And we will fold it like this and we'll cut it in thin strips. So basically the measurement is not going to matter because we are going to stick our leaves on this. Simply a thick sheet. I have taken a thick A4 size sheet and I have divided it and I have cut into thin strips as shown here. So the length is 28 centimeters of each strip. We will join them together. Okay. And this is approximately 3 to 4 centimeters only. So I'm using 3 strips because we need 3 strips for our door. Kids, when you are using the paper cutter, please be very careful. We really need to work very carefully with the paper cutter. Okay. Now we'll keep it like this and we'll stick it. Okay, with little overlapping. Okay. So around 2 centimeters of overlapping is good enough. And we'll stick it. simply just 2 centimeters of overlapping and we are done. We let it stick, dry, let it dry for some time until the time we will use our ribbons in the corner. For the ribbons, I'm simply using my stapler to staple it. Okay. So in the corner, you can just take the ribbon and you can just staple it, kids. Taking care that we are doing it at the center, in the center of the strip. So you can see, just with the help of the stapler, I have stapled it nicely, which will not be visible later on. Don't worry that it is going to be visible. It will not. This side also, I have folded it properly in the center and with the help of a stapler, I have stapled it. So this is done. So you can see our big strip is ready. Now we just need to stick our leaves, because leaves will take little time to stick for the reason that they have got those curves. So we have to be little careful when we are sticking it. Starting with any color, you can go as a pattern or you can go randomly. Just apply glue here and start sticking it. Wait. Like this. Just taking care of a little distance. Kids, this will take some time to stick. Just few 5 to 10 minutes. You cannot move it. So just be very careful when you are removing it ahead, because it will come out also. So it will take some time, but it will stick. Just randomly, any colors you can do, or you can follow any pattern. So we have around 16, 17 leaves. You can see, and then you can easily use it for the hanging. I am not removing this one right now because, as I told you, it really needs to take some rest to come out nicely, but it will definitely and beautifully come out like this. I'm not moving it. The ones which we have done in the beginning are fine now. They have stuck properly, but the ones which we have done now will take some time. So I hope the instructions were clear. This you can just put in the front gate. You can use it in the front of your mandir, the main mandir door. You can use these torans anywhere, and even you can store them for later use, because they are paper torans. They will not go anywhere. You can reuse them. With these beautiful leaves, it will give a very vibrant and a beautiful look to your mandir or to your entrance gate. So I hope the instructions were clear, kids. It was easy. It was simple to make, and you are surely going to make it and share pictures with us. So thank you for watching this video. We are going to meet soon again on DIY activities by Yellow Class. This is time to say bye and enjoy Navratras. Bye, kids.